Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful and inspiring story of Sudhir Goyal. Sudhir Goyal, who started Sevadham Ashram in Ujjain. He himself is an elder. At the age of 61, he is running a old age home for elderly people. And it will be very surprising to know that people come to visit that place for religious purposes, for holy water dip and everything, and they leave their elders just there only because Ujjain is a city of temples. And Sudhir used to take all the children's, all the abundant children, also those who have been left at the doorsteps of his ashram inside the home, and all the elderly people also. Isn't it inspiring and motivating? I mean, he just follow Mahatma Gandhi's and Vivekananda's teachings. So if you really want to go through more about Sudhir Goyal, you need to check the link of his profile in the description box. And if you really want to support such more places, please you can give him support, because it's on not only money, he need people also who can take care of this ashram, because there are more than 500 people who are staying there, and he has been threatened by police, court, local government bodies and everyone, but he was very firm with his mission, right? So where there is a will, there is a way. So it's really inspiring for me. So today, on the occasion of Guru Nanak Jayanti, I just want to give you wellness mantra which Guru Nanak Ji's teaching are there. It is Naam Japo, Van Chako and Kirat Karo. So Naam Japo is take the name of divine. Divine means which is residing in everywhere, in every individual, in me, in you, in all the individuals, all plants, animals. That divine, you should be meditating on the divine's name or your name only, because it is all within you. I mean, each and every cell within us is the form of divine, right? And Kirat Karo is do work, do manual labor, right? You should be earning your living. It's not that you should be sitting idle, you should be earning your living and giving it to the service of humanity. And third is Vanchako. Vanchako is whatever you are earning, please share it with everyone. That is, and put it in the service of humanity. So these are the three wellness mantra which I have followed since my childhood. I mean, even I have any small thing, or if I have anything to eat, or not only eat, even my clothes, if someone need it more than me, I just share it. So this has been taught since our childhood. So please do that. I mean, it's not the orthodox practice that you have to visit in temple, mosque or gurudwara, or you have to visit any church or something. You can meditate on yourself only, on the God's name. I mean, whatever you are doing in that, you just need to remember that Almighty, who is formless, who is never born, right? So this is the wellness mantra, and happy Guru Nanak Jayanti, happy Guru Purnima, and it's the longest Purnima. So take care, bye bye, see you, gratitude, and happy Guru Purab.